In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to not go idle on Microsoft Teams if your team status keeps switching to away while you're still working. One of the most common reasons is that your Windows power settings are allowing your screen to turn off or your device to go to sleep too quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple adjustment you can make on your Windows computer to help prevent that from happening while your device is plugged in. To begin, open your Windows settings and go to Power, Sleep, and Battery. This is the area where your computer controls how long it waits before dimming the display, turning the screen off, or entering sleep mode. These settings can directly affect whether apps like Microsoft Teams continue to show you as active. Once you're inside Power, Sleep, and Battery, look for the section labeled Screen and Sleep. If that section is collapsed, click the downward arrow to expand it. This will reveal the timing options that control what happens when your computer is inactive for a certain amount of time. Depending on your version of Windows, the wording may look slightly different, but you're looking for the options related to turning off the screen and putting the device to sleep. Next, change those timers to never when plugged in. This is the key step. By setting both the screen and sleep options to never for the plugged in mode, you're telling your computer to stay awake and keep the display active instead of going idle automatically. That can help Microsoft Teams continue showing your status as available, especially during long periods when you may be reading, monitoring something, or working without constant keyboard or mouse movement. A helpful tip here is to make sure you only adjust the plugged-in settings if you want to avoid draining your battery unnecessarily. Leaving these options on ever while running on battery power can reduce battery life much faster, so keeping the change limited to when your laptop is plugged in is usually the best balance. Also, keep in mind that Microsoft Teams status behavior can sometimes be influenced by company policies, organization-managed settings, or inactivity detection inside the app itself. So, while this method often helps, results can vary depending on your device and work environment. After making the changes, you can close settings. Your computer should now stay awake longer while plugged in, which can help reduce the chances of Teams marking you as idle. That's it.